Good morning. Nvidia has shattered all records, becoming the world's first company to achieve a $5 trillion market capitalization, driven by an unstoppable AI rally. Is this valuation justified, or is this the peak of the AI bubble? Amazon has launched Project Rainier, a massive $11 billion AI compute cluster designed to power its partner, Anthropic's Claude models. Can Amazon's custom Trainium-to-chips compete with Nvidia? A new enterprise standard, the MCP server, is gaining traction, with companies like Action, Balance, and Cerillion adopting it to manage AI agents. Is this the missing link for secure B2B AI automation? Plus, Character.ai to ban all users under 18 amid safety scrutiny. Celebrity platform Cameo sues OpenAI over Cameo trademark and Sora. OpenAI releases open-weight safety models to combat misuse. Anthropic launches Claude skills for custom workflow automation. Confluent launches real-time context engine for smarter AI agents. IBM announces new defense-focused AI model for mission planning. Legal AI startup Harvey raises $150 million at an $8 billion valuation. AI video generator Synthesia hits $4 billion valuation in new $200 million raise. And more in today's edition of AI in the AM. Let's rock. When a historic day for financial markets, Nvidia officially crossed the $5 trillion valuation threshold, cementing its status as the single most valuable company in the world. The surge was powered by a fresh wave of investor optimism following its GTC conference, where CEO Jensen Huang announced new partnerships and doubled down on the future of generative AI. Analysts scrambled to raise price targets, citing seemingly boundless demand for the company's Blackwell and upcoming Rubin series GPUs. The rally has added trillions in value this year alone, making Nvidia the undisputed king of the AI boom. While Nvidia's hardware dominance seems unshakable, it's not the only tech giant building its own massive AI infrastructure. In fact, Amazon is now spinning up its own $11 billion data center to power rivals like Anthropic. Amazon Web Services has flipped the switch on Project Rainier, its largest-ever AI compute cluster, in a massive $11 billion project spread across multiple data centers. The new infrastructure, which incorporates nearly 500,000 of Amazon's custom-designed Trainium-2 chips, is built to meet the massive compute demands of large-scale AI. Its first and primary customer is AI firm Anthropic, which will use the cluster to train and deploy its next-generation Claude models. This massive hardware play signals Amazon's aggressive move to provide the compute for the generative AI boom. But all that power needs a way to safely connect to business data, which is where a new standard called the MCP server is beginning to emerge. A new technical standard, the MCP server microchannel plate, is rapidly being adopted by enterprise software companies to solve a critical AI problem, securely connecting autonomous AI agents to governed high-quality enterprise data. Companies like Action, Balance, and Cerillion all announced new MCP server integrations this week, touting them as a way for AI agents to analyze and manage everything from B2B payments to billing and customer data in real time. While this standard aims to solve the last-mile problem for enterprise AI safety and security, other platforms on the consumer side are facing their own critical safety issues, with Character.ai just announcing a total ban on users under 8, facing mounting pressure from parents, lawmakers, and safety advocates. Chatbot platform Character.ai has announced it will ban all users under the age of 18, effective next month. The decision comes after numerous reports of children engaging with inappropriate or emotionally manipulative AI personas, including bots that discussed suicide. This drastic measure follows earlier attempts to create safety filters for minors, which were deemed insufficient. This move highlights the immense regulatory and safety scrutiny facing consumer AI platforms. But safety isn't the only legal danger, as OpenAI is now discovering with a new lawsuit from Cameo over an alleged trademark violation. OpenAI is facing a new lawsuit, this time from the celebrity video platform Cameo. The suit, filed in California federal court, alleges that OpenAI's Cameo feature in its Sora video generation app violates Cameo's trademark rights. The feature allows users to create AI-generated videos with celebrity likenesses, which Cameo argues creates direct market confusion and dilutes its brand. While this lawsuit represents a new legal front for OpenAI, the company is also attempting to get ahead of other problems by releasing new open-weight safety models designed to combat the misuse of its technology. In a move to address the growing risks of open-source AI, OpenAI has introduced GPTO's Safeguard. This new toolkit provides a set of open-weight safety models and classifiers that allow developers to detect harmful content and rewrite policy rules on the fly, making it easier to build custom safety layers. This reasoning engine approach is a significant shift from static classifiers. While OpenAI is focusing on building a community-driven ecosystem to mitigate risks, its key competitor, Anthropic, is focused on expanding its own ecosystem by launching Claude Skills to automate custom business work. Anthropic is making its Claude AI more practical for business use with the launch of Claude Skills. This new feature allows users and developers to create customized, reusable skills that package prompts, tools, and specific instructions. This enables Claude to perform complex multi-step tasks like analyzing financial data in Excel, integrating with Chronograph, or executing specific enterprise workflows. This no-code approach allows non-technical users to connect Claude to a wide array of business tools. But the real power of such agents comes from live data, a problem Confluent is tackling with its new real-time context engine. Data streaming company Confluent has announced its new real-time context engine, designed to power AI agents and apps with instant intelligence. The company argues that for AI agents to move beyond simple Q&A, they must be able to observe reasoned acts based on the real-time events flowing through a business. This streaming context is being positioned as the missing data link in enterprise AI. Providing a continuous stream of up-to-the-minute data is critical for enterprise agents, and it's even more crucial in the defense sector, where IBM has just announced a new AI model specifically for mission planning. IBM is continuing its push into specialized enterprise-grade AI with the announcement of a new defense-focused large language model. Developed in partnership with defense intelligence firm AIAgents, model is trained on specialized data to support military mission planning and accelerate decision-making for defense applications. This move signals a growing trend of developing highly specialized domain-specific AI models, and nowhere is that trend more valuable than in the legal field, where startup Harvey has just raised $150 million at a staggering $8 billion valuation. The AI for lawyers boom continues, as legal AI startup Harvey has reportedly closed a new $150 million funding round at a staggering $8 billion valuation. The startup, which provides generative AI tools specifically for legal work, has seen explosive growth as law firms rush to adopt AI to automate research, drafting, and analysis. This staggering $8 billion valuation for a specialized AI tool solidifies Harvey's position as a dominant player. And it's not the only AI startup seeing massive new investment, as AI video generator Synthesia has just hit a $4 billion valuation of its own. Synthesia, a leader in the AI-generated video space, has secured a new $200 million funding round, pushing its valuation to $4 billion. The company, known for its realistic AI avatars used in corporate training and marketing videos, continues to see high demand despite growing competition from giants like OpenAI. This new capital injection will likely be used to improve the realism of its avatars and expand its platform, as the market for synthetic media and AI-driven user-generated content explodes. That about wraps it up for this edition of AI in the AM. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.